A professional website on Notion? Yes, you heard the right. No third party tools, no coding, no complicated software. Just a clean, beautiful, and fully functional website built completely in Notion. And trust me, this isn't a basic site. It has multiple pages, built in forms, and even a professional looking footer. Let's take a quick tour and see what features are inside. Let's start with the admin panel, or as I like to call it, the website's control room. You can manage everything from here down below. Yep, that's where your form response show up. So when someone fills out a form on your site, like subscription form, boom, it's saved right here. Now let's land on the landing page. Here you can add your custom domain to the site, some cool social buttons, stylish and useful. And right under that, your recent projects shown in a modern gallery style layout. Cover image, tags, short description, even the publish date. Click on and you will see the full story unfold. Here's the blog area or the article section. Each post shows an image, title, author, date, and a short summary. And now the hidden gems of the website, the FAQ section and the footer. Now the footer. Oh, it's a beauty. Split into four smart sections: navigation, contact, services, and newsletter. And in the corner, your logo proudly smiling. Click on the subscribe button and pop ups the newsletter form. Let's do a quick spin through the rest of the pages. Article page for full blog posts. Portfolio page shows of your best work. About page with a built-in contact form ready to collect leads. And finally, the resume page. Your photo, a clean bio, everything a client needs to say, yes, you are the one we want. I truly fallen in love with Notion, and from that love, I built this full website. To me, Notion isn't just a tool, every page is like telling a story. Thank you for coming along on this tour, and hey, you can build a website like this too in Notion Euro. Template link in the description below.